Hello and welcome to another edition just with me. Today I'll be talking about how to use KDE applications on top of Windows XP, Vista, and Windows 7. I'm sure it works on all three. As you can see on my screen, the latest release of KDE, which is 4.2.2, which was released April 7th of this year, is now available. It's codenamed Kano. So let me tell you, let me just show you how the installer works. Go ahead and click this link here and save the file. I've already saved it, so I'll go back up here to downloads, and right here you should have the KDE icon when it's completely done. The user account control will come up just on Vista and Windows 7, which I'm using here. And it'll come to this screen. Your version may differ, but if you downloaded from the link that I showed you, you should have version 0.9.5. All these should be left alone, all these settings here. Install from internet's fine. Skip basic settings. Just hit next. Update or add new. I've already installed this, so I'd be updating. And you come to this screen here. It starts off with a lot of spell packages for various languages. And down here, since I've already installed it, none of the actual packages actually show here. Just the ones I haven't already installed yet. But for your use, you would select all. It says spelling and localization packages are excluded, and you have to select them manually. The only thing I selected extra was one of these spell packages, English for mine. And you would go ahead and click next there, and it would go ahead and download from the internet, whichever server you pick, and go ahead and install those KDE packages. Here's an example of a KDE application. This is known as Dolphin, the new file manager. And it acts the same as the Windows file manager. You see the exact same files, interact almost the same way. Of course, just with the convenience of using a Linux app, basically. That's what it is. KDE 4.2.3, Dolphin version 1.2.1. So this is the real deal here. See, I can use the cookie crumb bar up there. I can just kind of go in and out, and it changes. You see on the side here, as I hover over, they change. You can hit preview here. It'll preview the image. It's not an image of a hot air balloon, but that's just a stock photo. You see I can go to the start menu. Go to the start menu. In the menu, it'll create a folder called KDE 2.4.3 release. You would click that and it would be broken down the same as on a normal KDE Linux machine. You would also have these folders there. Like if I wanted to open Kyle, which is a latex front end, go ahead and click that and to open it. You see down on my dock here, or my taskbar, I have Amarok there too, so that's very exciting. See, there's Kyle. You can go ahead and create a new document and create a report. If I knew how to write text or latex, or I do not know how, but I'm sure I can learn. And that's a pretty basic overview. If you know KDE, you know how to use all the applications. It has the games here too, like Bomber and K-Bounce and K-Breakout. And Golf is one of my favorite. It's a golf game, of course. Create a new game here just to try it out. Okay. Let's see if I can... Oops. And just have fun with it. I'm playing a two-player mode. Oh, that was close. I seem to be stuck in there, don't I? And all the other applications, they start up very fast, or pretty fast. You can use Conqueror to browse the net. Just one more browser that's been ported over. See, I can browse to Yahoo. But there's one problem. See, I have Flash installed for both Internet Explorer and Firefox, and yet it doesn't see the Flash plugin, so I can't use Flash for some reason. See, I can navigate just the same as if I was on an actual KDE Linux machine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found some of this useful.